everyone, welcome to Mediverse Atlas, and in this video we'll be discussing the compositions and the functions of pancreatic juice. Okay, so the pancreatic juice is again an important question, same as that of gastric juice. So the pattern will be the same. First we'll be going with the compositions, then the functions of pancreatic juice. So pancreatic juice, like that of the gastric juice only, 99.5% of the pancreatic juice constitutes water. Okay, rest of the 0.5% of the substances, it consists of solid substances. Okay, so what are the solid substances? The solid substances include organic and the inorganic substances. Okay, and in this organic substances we'll be having the enzymes and other organic substances. So enzymes are the major organic substances that are present in the pancreatic juice. And what are these enzymes? So we'd have proteolytic enzymes, amylolytic enzymes, and lipolytic enzymes. Okay, what are the other organic substances? We are having albumin and globulin. These are the organic substances. So these two are very much important in pancreatic juice. Then coming upon the inorganic substances, we are having same as that of gastric juice, the pancreatic juice. The inorganic substances of the pancreatic juice are also similar to that of the gastric juice. What are those? Sodium, calcium, potassium, magnesium, bicarbonates, chlorides, phosphates, and sulfates. One thing we need to remember is that the inorganic substances in the pancreatic juice does not include hydrochloric acid that is present in the gastric juice. Okay, this is what we need to remember. Now let us come to the enzymes that are present in the pancreatic juice. What are those enzymes? The first one what we are having is the proteolytic enzymes. The enzymes that acts on proteins. Okay, what are those? Trypsin, chymotrypsin, carboxypeptidases, nuclease, elastase, and collagenase. Okay, these are the enzymes that act on proteins. On the amylolytic enzymes are the class of enzymes that acts on carbohydrates. And the one important enzyme that is present here is pancreatic amylase. Coming upon the lipolytic enzymes, what are the lipolytic enzymes? Name itself it suggests that it acts on lipids. What are those? Pancreatic lipase, cholesterol ester hydrolase, phospholipase A, phospholipase B, colipase, and bile activated lipase. So there are majority of enzymes that are acting on proteins and lipids. So the pancreatic juice, we can say that the pancreatic juice mainly acts on proteins and lipids. Okay. Now, what are the other organic substances we have already discussed are albumin and globulin. This albumin plays a very important role in the transport of substances, transport of hormones, transport of lipoproteins, transport of cholesterol, etc. Okay, and this globulin, it is also very important substance that is required for. It acts as defense and it mainly promotes the immune response. Okay, now let us know the functions of the pancreatic juice. So the first one what we are having is trypsin. So this trypsin is a proteolytic enzyme that is present in the pancreatic juice. This trypsin, it acts on the proteins because it's a proteolytic enzymes. Okay, it acts on proteins and converts into proteose and polypeptides. Okay, this trypsin, what is the activator for trypsin is enterokinase. Remember, trypsin is the one that is activated by enterokinase, whereas all the other enzymes are activated by trypsin. So the trypsin, we can say it is a key enzyme that is required, that is not only required for the digestion of proteins, but it is also required for the action of other enzymes because it is the activator of majority of the enzymes. Okay. Next comes the chymotrypsin that again acts on proteins and converts into polypeptides. Trypsin is the activator. Next comes the carboxypeptidases. Okay, it acts on polypeptides. So it is also a proteolytic enzyme that acts on polypeptides and converts the proteins directly into amino acids, not the polypeptides. So it is a powerful enzyme that directly converts the polypeptides into amino acids. Okay, this is also activated by trypsin. Next comes the nuclease. In the name itself, it suggests that it acts on the nucleus, that is RNA and the DNA, ribonucleic acid. It acts on ribonucleic acids. Okay. So again, the activator is trypsin and it converts into mononucleotides. Okay. The next enzyme that we are having is elastase. Again, it is a proteolytic enzyme which acts on elastin and converts the elastin into amino acids. So trypsin is the activator. Next comes the collagenase, which is again a proteolytic enzyme that acts on collagen and converts into amino acids. So again, the activator is trypsin. So trypsin is activator for all the proteolytic enzymes, okay, that is present in the pancreatic juice. Now coming upon the lipolytic enzymes of the pancreatic juice, the most important lipolytic enzyme is pancreatic lipase. okay, which majorly carries out the lipolysis of major lipids. Okay, what are those? Triglycerides. Okay, it converts the triglycerides into monoglycerides and fatty acid, that is glycerol and fatty acid to be precise. Okay, the activator is the alkaline medium. So the pancreatic, so lipolytic enzymes, they require alkaline medium for their action. The next enzyme is cholesterol ester hydrolase, which acts on cholesterol ester and converts the cholesterol ester into cholesterol and fatty acid. So it basically breaks the esters, okay, the ester bonds of the cholesterol. So again, the alkaline medium is required. Then comes the phospholipase A and phospholipase B. Both are activated by trypsin. So the lipolytic enzymes are again activated by a proteolytic enzyme. Okay, this trypsin is a proteolytic enzyme. This phospholipase A, it acts on phospholipid and converts into lysophospholipid. Okay, phospholipase B, it acts on lysophospholipid and converts the lysophospholipid into phosphorylcholine and free fatty acids. So first phospholipid A is required, then phospholipase B is required. The other important lipase is the bile activated lipase. This type of lipase, it requires bile salts for their activation. Okay, and this bile activated lipase also, they act on cholesterol esters and triglycerides. This cholesterol esters, they converted into cholesterol and fatty acids, whereas they act on triglycerides also to get converted into monoglycerides and fatty acids. And the amylolytic enzyme that we are having is pancreatic amylase. Okay, this is only amylolytic enzyme that is present in the pancreatic juice. And this amylolytic enzyme, it acts on starch and it converts the starch into dextrin and maltose. And for the amylolytic enzyme also, acidic medium is required for the activation of the enzymes that are required in the carbohydrate digestion. So this is all about the composition and the functions of pancreatic juice. I hope this is clear, and thank you.